We are at the University of Pittsburgh in the William Pitt Union Assembly Room, gathering to talk about building a beloved community. We've really had an opportunity to bring together academics, researchers, scholars, artists, to really talk about how we can do this critical work successfully, effectively, but also utilizing the principles of beloved community.
What does building a beloved community mean to you?
The work of building a beloved community has to be central in the work of any just society.
It is the moral duty of every human person to resist violence and sow the seeds of peace. Let us make every interaction with our neighbor an event of peace.
This event means to me a different way to engage with the community around how we lead with love.
Do we want to live as a violent society or do we want to live as a peaceful society? It's all up to us. And to change that, it will require action.
We've learned some really practical steps for actively listening to one another, for engaging, for decentering ourselves, for focusing on the needs of others.
You now should have someone whom you know least at your table that you'll be talking to later. And you should have a problem or conflict that you do want to talk about.
The ideas of bringing together people from various organizations, people who are interested in building something from the ground up and making the world a better place.
I think it's so critical because it's bringing people together who are all trying to do this work and how we make change together.
In your exchanges, when you are trying to build a beloved community, are you leading with your heart? Or are you just trying to change somebody's mind because you think you're right?
I'm so grateful to have pieces of work that I've done over the past 8 or so years in this space and in this room to ground us right now, because art as a form of social change, it allows us to just see issues but see one another in the most vibrant and beautiful ways. August Wilson said art has the power to heal, unite, and transform society. There are August Wilsons and Teenie Harrises in our communities right now. And it's incumbent on us to make sure that they feel seen so they don't leave this place to find their place.
Light made its way and down brook. The birds chirped, the world woke. I looked for peace at my door. Salam, peace, I said to my neighbor.
The fact that this is happening at Pitt, I feel as though it's a big deal. We're a university of innovation. Why not innovate peace?
Having the ability to express and value Afrocentric features is very important.
Building a beloved community goes beyond just this room. It steps into every single bridge here in Pittsburgh.
There were so many incredible nuggets of wisdom that were shared. And I think even more so than the information was shared were the relationships that were developed. You saw a lot of folks being able to share openly, thoughtfully, and build new relationships. And that's part of the work we want to do, is to really continue to foster that beloved community.